Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make graphene in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting more advanced materials inside of the chemistry lab, like as the diamond or titanium alloy. To make graphene, first of all, we will need the chemistry lab to have at hand, and we'll need a supply of graphite and hydrazine. Graphite can be automatically made inside of the cell centrifuge using some soil as the input material and then crafting graphite. And the second material we'll need is hydrazine. Also, we can use the cell centrifuge to make this process automated. And from this, we'll make some ammonium, and also we'll need hydrogen, which is made inside of the atmospheric condenser. Once we have all of these two things, the hydrazine and graphite, we can go to a chemistry lab and choose a recipe for graphene. We'll need to have the graphite and hydrazine at hand, and once it's done, we'll get some graphene out of it. So this is pretty much all, how to get graphene in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.